Welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Show&Tour platform and share some of the best features so you can quickly take advantage of everything we've built for you. When you first log in, you'll find your dashboard, and this is where you can find all your clients and projects. So you'll see the two tabs up top, projects and clients. They can be arranged in multiple ways, different viewing options, different filter and sorting options, and then a selection tool to select and delete multiple things at once. We've got big, huge new project and new client buttons. Those are fairly self-explanatory. And then if you click on a client, it jumps into their dashboard where you see all their projects and enter their information. When you click on a project, it's going to open the project dashboard, but I'm actually going to use the search tool up top to start typing in the address to jump into this project. Now, every project is laid out the same. You have three tabs up top: property website, deliverables, and media player. These are three unique pages with their own use cases. The deliverables page is what you would use to deliver everything to your client in one nice, professional looking page. The property website is also a public page online, but this is what you would give to your client so they can then share this project, share this property with all of anyone interested. So it's great for, this is what would go in the MLS virtual tour link. It's what the agent might share on social media or an email or over text. The deliverables page is just meant to be shared between you and your client. The media player is kind of like the property website. It's just another way to combine all the content you created and then equip your client to then share it with the world. We'll go over all the details of projects in another video, but this is a general overview of how it's laid out. Each one of these pages have to be built out, and you can add whatever sections you want. So they're all built out with their own unique sections, and you add sections with this plus button. There are some additional settings up top that you can look at, and then you can access the direct live link URL in this top left corner on each one of these pages. When your project is all built out and you're ready to send it to your client, we have a send project tool, and that's just the quickest way to send it. We have other options as well, where you can just simply copy a URL or copy the whole email to send it just like you would look in Show&Tour. And then make sure to always use this preview button. So this is where you can just look at the live preview of everything you're building, and this is exactly what your client would see. Now, going back to the dashboard, I'm going to navigate to the account settings. So on the dashboard in the top right corner, you have your account settings. You can find the link to all our help articles and videos like this one. And then the sign out button is here. Clicking on the settings, this is where you input all your branding. It's so important for you to put your information in here so we can make the system all about your business. We're big on showing your logo, your branding, not ours. So in order to do that, we need your logo. You can also input your own custom domain names and further white label the whole system to your business. The project delivery settings, these are so important. Make sure to look through these when you deliver your project, you can select exactly the resolutions that your client has access to, and then you can define the terms and ways that your client can get access to that content. So you can lock it in different ways. This is very, very useful. Next thing I'll point out are integrations. Make sure to implement these if you are using one of these systems. If you want to accept payment on these project delivery pages for just the quickest way to get paid and get paid on time, you have to use one of these payment solutions. Also, what's amazing with these integrations is we can import your clients. If you already have a big list of clients in one of these payment or accounting systems, connect it to Show&Tour and we can pull those clients in. And lastly, we've got your subscription settings. This is where you switch between Show&Tour plans and manage your storage levels, as well as your payment method. Just keep in mind, Show&Tour is completely flexible, so you can jump from free to paid to free at any time, no restrictions. And that is really it. Show&Tour is meant to be so simple, quick, and efficient, so you can be in and out and create everything you need.